see the fox. It's not my target. Deep in the forest. No good. Small stack. Backstrap only. 2 miles from my car. Too deep. Okay, I do it. It's very cold now. Minus 15 Celsius. Or sun. Classic Lite Hunter Bark River. Highland special Bark River. And Bravo Necker2 Bark River. First, classic Lite Hunter. Its handle is pretty cold. Today, the coldest in this season. Wow, very comfortable. Highland, wow, cold. For me, classic Lite Hunter is more comfortable to rotate. Yeah, maybe. Wow, good backstrap. The other side, Bravo Necker2. Anyways, today temperature is absolutely minus 15 degrees Celsius. Too cold to hunt. Continue. So I come back soon. It will take 1 hour, 1.5 hours to my car. Hitches on the bone and small, not very good. Highland, a bit hitch on the bone. Classic Lite Hunter. Oh, classic Lite Hunter is the best knife in these 3 knives. Better than Highland, I'm sure. Okay, today's purpose is done. Classic Lite Hunter, pretty good knife.
Hi, knife people. Bravo Necker2. Good knife. I put more lock system. Pretty slender and fits this sheath very well. Easy to lock, easy to release, and on the loop, very reliable. Good system. Pretty cool color combination, in my opinion. Black and ivory mica. And this jimping very effective in processing. Very sharp edge angle, less than 20 degrees, I believe. 12C27 Sandvik Swedish stainless steel. And I already finished after care. And this hunt was last weekend. Wow. And this knife actually took a bit problem around here, cutting portion, touching bones, micro rolls. However, easy to restore on the weather strap, no problem. Very good backup knife for deer hunting. I love it very much. It was very cold in minus 15 degrees Celsius. It was the coldest day in this season. Can look at the stain, yellow stain around the stock. This is my favorite blind horse, JP Pro Hunter. Here looks yellowish. I think it's from epoxy glue between handle scales and stock. I don't like it. And the balance point is here, just behind the first pin. Hollow pins. Very good. Not much but heavy. Appropriate weight balance. And this heaviness assisted the skinning and every task in deer dressing. Very good knife. This 2010 new production one has shallower belly curvature than the previous one. I love this shallower belly much. I was not used to this knife, this shallow belly, so it was slower than this classic Lite Hunter. However, actually, mainly in weight, this weight is preferable in proper deer dressing, I believe. Just a bit point, negative point, is this yellow stain. For collectors, no good. Practically, no problem. Very good knife. I formerly dislike this sheath. However, no problem at all. It takes 2-inch belt easily. And this thread visible and looks weak. However, practically no problem. Leather loop itself fairly strong. This sheath is also good. relatively free in the loop, and this thread is far from not directly touching the loop, directly to the belt, so safe, I believe. Water of drainage here, and you can look the protrusion hiding in the sheath. It's here, yes. Very thick spacer here into the sheath, and here notch. So this hilt get into the notch inside. So pretty tight holding in the sheath. Difficult when the handle is greasy with fat tissue. However, in dry situation, good sheath, I believe. Knife itself, this ballooning curvature to the tip is very useful in skinning and other tasks in the dressing. This hilt is very protective, good. Handle is a bit thin. Stock itself is thin, so very lightweight knife. I hope it was a bit heavier than this weight. Weight, in case, assists my hand power. Light knife totally depends on my hand power. However, heavy knife itself cut into the muscle or tissue between skin and muscle. And a very cool coloration, black and red rhinos. And this groove, ricasso area and edge is very shallow. This side, deep. This knife, 154 cm, 2010 new production run, has edge centering problem. The edge itself is not at the center of the stock. I don't like it. For collectors, no good. For me, no good. I'm a kind of collector. Anyhow, in practice, no problem. Sharp. Of course, sharp. This A2 took no rust after my wiping with gauze in the field. This is assist knife, and these two are main knife. Both great knives. However, both problem, stain and edge centering. Anyhow, I love both knives. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Bye bye.